Hello student, let us take up new topic, that is institutions promoting cooperative movement. Under this chapter we will going to deal with national level institution, and under national level institutions we will going to study Reserve Bank of India, followed by National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, which is also known as NABARD. Then we will also going to study State Bank of India, which is also known as SBI, followed by NCDC, that is National Cooperative Development Corporation. Today we will going to deal with Reserve Bank of India, which is also known as RBI, that is Central Bank of India. Now let us say something on Reserve Bank of India. Reserve Bank of India is the principal agency that provided resource for the cooperative movement till National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development was established in July 1982. Before independence, the policy of British government and the bank could not do much for the development of cooperatives. It provided finance to the state cooperative banks only in times of emergency, and that too just to tide over the temporary shortage of funds. However, after independence, the bank initiated a number of measures for the development of cooperatives on sound lines. Some of the measures are like establishment of agricultural credit development, then establishment of standing advisory committee on agricultural credit, followed by simplification of procedure of granting credit, then establishment of the state cooperative banks, followed by creation of special funds for financing agriculture. Now, these are the certain measures taken by the Reserve Bank of India for the development of cooperatives. Now, let us discuss these measures in detail. We will take first one, that is establishment of Agricultural Credit Department. Now, Reserve Bank of India had established a special agricultural credit department to study the problems of agricultural sector and guidance to central and state government, and also for cooperative institution for the growth and increasing productivity of agriculture, right? So because of this reason they have established agricultural credit department, that is it is established by Reserve Bank of India. Then moving ahead with establishment of standing advisory committee on agricultural credit. Now here it says this committee is established to coordinate and control to different institutions providing agricultural credit, and the committee advised the bank on matters pertaining to agriculture and allied services, and it also supervises the progress of agricultural credit, and that is the reason standing advisory committee was established, okay, for agricultural credit. Moving on to next is simplification of procedure of granting credit. The bank had simplified the procedure of granting credit to the state cooperative banks. This enabled them to borrow funds on large scale. And Reserve Bank of India always insists on simplification on loan procedures with less documentation in order to fulfill the timely need of customers. As you all know, student, when a loan is sanctioned or before sanctioning of loan, there are a lot of documentation process need to be completed. Okay, but here RBI makes it very simple. Okay, and the bank had also started buying and selling of bills of exchange and promissory notes drawn by state cooperative bank. Okay, so that is something about simplification of procedure of granting credit. Moving ahead with next measure, okay, taken by the RBI for the development of cooperative is establishment of state cooperative banks. Now, as time passed, realizing the importance of institutional structure in the provision of credit, it had permitted, okay, establishment of new state cooperative bank in those states where they were not in existence before, meaning before the state cooperative bank were not there, okay, and they have given permission, okay, to establish a new state cooperative banks. Okay, so then moving on to next is finance to small scale and cottage industry. Okay, then it also provides finance with certain schemes, okay, and for the small industries, okay, so that it will be sort of help support for the development of such industries. Okay, then moving on to next is creation of special funds for financing agriculture. Now let us see what is this creation of special funds is all about. Student, in 1954 the government of India appointed the All India Rural Credit Survey Committee with a view to study the present sources of finance to the farmers and also suitable measures for reorganizing rural credit were taken. Okay, so that is included in the creation of special funds for financing agriculture. That is something about Reserve Bank of India's interaction on RBI and the measures RBI has taken for the development of cooperatives on sound lines.